skies are looking just a little wicked right now. No rain yet, but it sure looks threatening. I got shopping to get done. Hi everybody. It's a rainy day here and the skies are looking a little ominous, so I am out shopping. I need to run into the pet food store and get some victuals for the puppy. Ginger said she wants a little bit of a change up in her food and treats, so I'm in search of something new and different and exciting. You know, she gets so bored with her food that she just quits eating. She's real finicky, just like her dad. What can I say? Her dad being William, of course. Anyway, so come on in. I'm gonna get ready here and go in and shop. So come along with me. I'm going into the pet food store and get some victuals for the little critter, Ginger. Checking out Michael's for the first time in about 4 months for sure, if not 5 months. Is it really a mailbox? I believe so. Huh. I missed this at springtime. But wouldn't it be something if these were all real? I'd be buying the can for sure. With such pretty colors among the fake floral stuff. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Well, it's been kind of a disappointing shopping day. And this is the first kind of out on my own to shop and have fun type of day I've had in 4 to 5 months, really. I mean, I hit, what a hit. It's a blur. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I did look at the cast iron skillets there. I really like the, what's it called? It's not a skillet, it's a flat skillet, long skillet. I thought I might like to get one of those for the range, for our stove, and use that instead of buying separate skillets. I couldn't even lift the, whatever it was that's called. I can't think of what it was called. But anyway, it was so heavy I couldn't even lift it. And I tried a small cast iron skillet. You know what? I have to find something lighter. And they were not carrying the Lodge brand either, so I might check that out. It was something like Artesian or something to that effect. So we'll see. But their stuff was just so heavy I couldn't lift it. So no cast iron yet for me. I'll keep looking. There's got to be a lightweight cast iron out there that I would like to get. So I went there to Bed Bath & Beyond. Then I had to come down to Sally's and get some stuff for hair. And I stocked up on it. In both stores, I noticed empty shelves. And I mean, I haven't been in these stores for months and months. Empty shelves. Really sparse selection of goods. I've never seen it so empty. I don't know what to think. So I bought up on the hair supplies that I needed. And the lady at the cash register even told me that, yeah, they have trouble getting supplies in. So if you have the chance to buy more than what you need right now, do so. So I did. And then from there I went to Michael's, and I just left Michael's now, and they were pretty well stocked up on arts and crafts and all sorts of different supplies. Most of what they had for kids, for crafts, had to do more like for stay-at-home type stuff. So they're gearing more towards that. And they had quite a variety of goods. I don't think a lot of people go in here shopping. And you know what? I didn't find anything to buy. So on my first outing, my first solo shopping trip, all I found to buy was some hair stuff. I think I need to hit DQ on my way home. That sounds good to me. Okay, I'm headed to DQ.